Replacing the windows in your Scottsdale home is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. New windows improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and create a more comfortable indoor environment, all while boosting the value of your home. But if you've never gone through the process before, you may wonder what to expect. Understanding each step of the window replacement process can help you feel confident and prepared as you take on this important home improvement project. Initial consultation and assessment. The process begins with a professional consultation. A window specialist will visit your Scottsdale home to assess your current windows, discuss your goals, and answer questions. They'll measure your existing frames, check for structural issues, and evaluate factors like sun exposure and energy loss. This is also your chance to share your preferences. Do you want to maximize natural light, reduce energy bills, or improve noise reduction? The installer will guide you toward window options that fit both your needs and your budget. Choosing the right window. Scottsdale homeowners have many window styles and materials to choose from. Popular options include double-hung windows for timeless versatility, casement windows that swing outward for maximum ventilation, picture windows that showcase Scottsdale's views with unobstructed glass, sliding windows for ease of use in tighter spaces. Frame materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and wood also affect performance and aesthetics. In the desert climate, energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, argon-filled panes, and insulated frames are especially important to keep cooling costs in check. Your window professional will help you compare options and choose the best fit for your home. Professional measurement and ordering. Once you've selected your windows, the installer will take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. This step is crucial, as even a small miscalculation can lead to drafts, leaks, or operational issues. After measurements are confirmed, your custom windows are ordered from the manufacturer. Depending on the style and materials, this step may take a few weeks. During this time, you'll receive updates on delivery and installation scheduling. Preparing for installation. On the day of installation, the team will prepare your home to ensure a smooth process. They may ask you to clear furniture, curtains, or wall decor around your windows. Drop cloths and protective coverings are typically used to keep dust and debris to a minimum. In Scottsdale, where dust and heat can be a factor, professional crews also work efficiently to limit exposure to outdoor elements during installation. The installation process. The actual installation involves carefully removing old windows and preparing the openings. Installers check for signs of water damage, rot, or structural issues and make necessary repairs before placing the new windows. Each window is then set into position, leveled, and secured. Professional-grade sealants, insulation, and flashing are applied to ensure airtight and watertight performance. This step is especially important in Scottsdale's desert climate, where heat and monsoon rains can stress poorly sealed windows. Clean up and final walkthrough. After installation, the crew will clean up the work area, removing old windows and debris. Your new windows will be wiped down and tested to ensure they open, close, and lock properly. A final walkthrough with the installer gives you the opportunity to inspect the work, ask questions, and learn about maintenance tips. Many companies also review warranty information at this stage, so you know exactly what's covered in the future. Long-term benefits. Once the process is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. New windows improve comfort by reducing drafts, block harmful UV rays, and enhance curb appeal with modern designs. They also reduce energy bills, a major advantage in Scottsdale's hot summers. Over time, this investment pays for itself in both savings and added property value. Conclusion. Confidence in every step. The window replacement process in Scottsdale is straightforward when you work with professionals. From consultation and selection to installation and final walkthrough, every step is designed to ensure your new windows perform beautifully for years to come. If you're ready to upgrade your home, Knowing what to expect makes the process stress-free, and the results well worth it.